19do dungeon. This is Dutch out, they can rain so what's dope? Knock knock, who's there? It's just me, bro. Come on in. Thanks, let's go. What's going on? Not much, just relaxing. Want some tea? Yes, that sounds amazing. What's your plan? I might stay home. Let's grab food. I'm in, just phone. Can I try? Yes, give it a shot. That's amazing. You nailed it on the spot. At the market, how much is this? Too expensive? Can I get a discount, miss? Cash or card? I'll pay online. Have a nice day. You too, everything's fine. I'm busy, I'll reply soon. What's the date? It's the 5th of June. Don't worry, it's all okay. Take care, see you another day. Do you agree? Yes, makes sense. I'm not sure, I'm on the fence. Let me think, I'll let you know. Good job, friend, you're ready to go. From morning talks to evening chat, these are the phrases, imagine that. Speak them clearly, don't be shy. Your English skills will reach the sky.